Hey everybody, Joey here for another day in my kitchen, not the garage. Today I wanted to talk about eggs. This is just a super simple, delicious snack, meal, whatever you want to make into it, but so hard to cook. I found eggs have been so popular in my house lately, so I've been doing boiled eggs. But the temperature is always wrong. I can never get the perfect boiled egg. Sometimes it's over, sometimes it's under. And all the instructions online are so subjective. They say you heat up the pan with the egg in it, let it set, and you should have a perfect boiled egg. Anywhere from 8, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I've seen all kinds of numbers, and I just don't know which one it is. So that's what I'm going to test today. Is that perfect magic number or time for a hard boiled egg. So what I'm going to do is get some water boiling. That way there's no subjective part to it of letting it rise up to boiling temperature and then taking them off. I want boiling temperature right away, so I know each time how long I put these in boiling water. So I'm going to take them out at 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, maybe 20. And I'm going to see how to get the perfect boiled egg. Alright, so my water is at a very gentle boil, and I am going to try and place these in as quick as possible, as gently as possible. Egg-tastic number 8. Egg number 9 into cold water. Egg static number 10. Extravagant number 11. exquisite number 12. Lucky number 13. Exciting number 14. Extravagant number 15. And last but not least, whoa, extreme number 16. Almost dropped it. Now that the eggs are cooked, I'm going to go ahead and let them sit in the ice bath for about 10 minutes and start peeling. See what they look like. And here are the results. First we got the 8-minute one, and I stopped peeling it because I just couldn't peel it anymore. And as you can see, not cooked. And same thing with the 9-minute. Very soft boiled egg. Here we got the 10-minute one. It started to get easier to peel, but still very undone. Down to 11 minutes. It got easier to peel, as you can see, but it's still not hard boiled. 12 minutes. We're looking better. 13 minutes. Still a little bit raw, or a little bit eggy. 14 minutes. 15 minutes. 16 minutes. And to me, that looks like a perfect hard-boiled egg. Still doesn't have that yolkiness. Definitely that's yolky. See, we're getting better, 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 better. Little bit in there. Little bit, very light in there. But to me, that's a perfect hard-boiled egg. And thank you very much for joining me on this egg-tastic adventure in hard-boiled eggs. I hope you enjoyed it. I loved it. It was fun. I got the idea off Alex the French cook. He has a channel on YouTube. Awesome videos on all kinds of cooking testing, and he does an amazing job. I mean, amazing. So check out his channel. I'll put it up, you know, as always. But thank you for watching me, And I always say ride safe, drive safe, but in the kitchen, just cook safe.